Recover permanently deleted SMS on Android. Hey guys, I'm Marina and welcome back to our channel. So for this issue, first and foremost, you have to open your Play Store and you have to install this application, SMS Backup and Restore. Now once it is installed, just open it and you have to allow all the permission it asks for. Now on to the next step, go ahead and tap on this restore option and tap on yes. Then you have to select a restore backup location. You can select anyone that you want. Now you can select local folder or cloud. Here I'm choosing local folder. And you can choose any folder that you want. For an example, I have chose mine. Now once you have selected, just tap on use this folder and then it will restore all of your deleted SMS here. Now to never lose the SMS ever again, go ahead and tap on set up a backup. Then select messages, call logs or both and then tap on next option. Again select a backup location here. I'm choosing my phone and just tap on OK and next. Now again tap on yes right now. Then select when you want your backups to be. For an example, I'll be choosing Delhi and then just tap on backup now. Here you can see the backup is in process. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.